Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Twin Gates in Halfway Tree. Now we're just making a video earlier, and I noticed that there is a new store over here, the Supreme Ventures store. Now it's at the spot where the bank used to be, the First Caribbean CIBC Bank, and I didn't realize that they had even closed, much less a new store opened. So we are now on the right. Now you can see Supreme Ventures flagship store, Supreme Ventures group. I don't know if it's open, but this is very new. I've never seen it before. If anybody knows when this was built or the name changed or basically what's going on with it, is it opened? I mean, I'm assuming that has to do with the Supreme Ventures does the lotto in Jamaica, the gambling, what you call it now. They operate, I think there's a second gambling company in Jamaica, but there you can see the sign, very nice sign. They do cash pot. They operate the cash pot game. They operate a few games, and they also do just bet, where you can bet on the football games, like the soccer games. And they have outlets all over Jamaica. I think they even sell they operate the lotto too. I'm actually not even sure if the lotto still operates. Yes, they do, because they have Super Lotto now. So it still operates, and that's Supreme Ventures. So this store is very new. As I said, I don't know if it's actually open to the public yet, but we're going to come back during the week and see what's going on. But we were just driving a while ago and we saw the store, and I didn't realize the bank had even closed. So I was just showing you guys. This is Twin Gates Plaza. So this is very nice. It's actually a very large store. So they usually have outlets, but I've never seen one this big. Okay, so that's Twin Gates. So since we're here, we're just going to take a quick spin through some of these malls. Now, Twin Gates follows the formula for a successful plaza. They have us actually. Let's go down there and show you the supermarket since we're here. Okay, so now, built in a populated area, this is Halfway Tree. Right here now is one of the food stores. This is Island Grill, and this Island Grill is opened later than the others. If not, I think they used to open 24 hours one time, but they're open a lot later than the others, like 12, 1 o'clock. You can get food over there. Now straight ahead is a Brooklyn supermarket, and this is the major supermarket in the plaza. And so this plaza follows the formula, and it's very successful. They have a lot of other stores, but they have other restaurants too on the right. But all right, let's take a tour. Now, Halfway Tree is probably the only place where you're going to find plazas. You're going to find a few plazas like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza, Premier Plaza, Springs. Those plazas don't follow the formula to a T. They have no supermarket, basically. That's the only thing that's missing. But they are extremely successful. So those plazas in the Halfway Tree area are the only ones you're going to find that are very successful, that don't follow the formula. Probably about 5 or 6 of them, because they are located in Halfway Tree, and Halfway Tree is so busy. It has 250,000 people a day. Okay, so on the left now you're going to see some more other restaurants. Right, 250,000 people a day. So they take the first point of building the plaza in a populated area to a new level. Market, they also have the food stores, a lot of food stores in those other plazas. They actually have food courts. So, okay, this is Twin Gates. They have a mall, they have a lot of shops, a jewelry store, actually. A lot of stores over here. But today is a Sunday, so that's why you notice where the most of the traffic is, by the food store and by the supermarket. Alright, so we're going to just, since we're here, take a quick tour of some of these other plazas. So straight ahead is a mall plaza. Now that's one of them that is very successful, that the only thing that they don't have over here is a supermarket. It's built in a populated area and it has the food stores. There's Domino's, there's a Wendy's on the other side, although that might be a different plaza. But they also have a food court. So these plazas, just because of where they're located in terms of such a large population, and half a tree basically, it's the only exception to the formula. Alright, so this is the mall plaza. Now we're going over to the Tropical Plaza, or Tropical Plaza. Now, straight ahead you're going to see the Digicel store. That was the #1 Digicel store in terms of sales. When Digicel just opened in Jamaica, the Digicel in Tropical Plaza sold more phones than any other Digicel store in Jamaica. That's just to give you an example of how popular this plaza is. Mark you, when Digicel just opened, that store would have been the closest one to half a tree. I'm sure they have others down there now, but or outlets. And on the left, you're going to see Lee's Fifth Avenue. Now that store has been here for years. I can remember maybe decades ago. This store was always here. They had one in Manor Park too, I think. But this one, the one in Manor Park no longer operates, but this one still operates. Now straight ahead is this is the Digicel store on the left. Straight ahead is the Springs, and they have a KFC over there. They have a few other food stores. There's a Mother's at the front as well. But like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza, and the Springs, they don't have a supermarket. As we said, these are the only plazas that are an exception to the formula, just based on where they are located. There's just an excessive amount of traffic. Okay, now straight ahead is the Pavilion Mall. This is a newer mall than the others. That one has a supermarket in it. It has a high-low supermarket. It has a lot of food stores. A lot. I mean, these malls have what you call a food court, in addition to the stores that are on the outside. Oh, and there's actually a Digicel store over there. I'm looking at the sign. But when Digicel first opened, the closest Digicel store to half a tree was the one at Tropical Plaza. Alright guys, so this is the half a tree area. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.